What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Before we get started, I just want to remind you that we do have a giveaway going on. For the month of April, we're giving away another pair of Bose sleep buds. So if you haven't entered yet, go check it out. Also, from all of us here at Featured Tech, we hope everybody's staying safe and, keeping their social distance. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's begin the comparison by talking about the battery life between the two. So the Solo Pros offer 22 hours of battery life on a full charge. Meanwhile, the Solo 3s offer 40 hours. Now, even though these are a couple of years old, the Solo 3s, they have a more impressive battery life than the Solo Pros to my right, is because, for the reason being that the Solo Pros have noise canceling technology. Meanwhile, the Solo 3s don't. So therefore, the fact that this has noise canceling technology, that takes up a lot of battery life. That's why you're losing that 18-hour battery life. Another thing I want to talk about is the sound comparison between the two. In my personal opinion, after using this for now a few weeks, and this for the last couple of years, at least I don't find the real difference between the two in the sound. But what I do want to mention is that between these two, there is definitely a difference in durability. So I will get on with that later in the video and show you guys the difference in the durability factor. But when it comes to the noise, I believe these two are pretty similar in noise comparison and the sound and how they work. Definitely a big pro over the Solo 3s is the noise cancellation. And in my opinion, that is worth between the durability and the noise cancellation. I think that's worth the price increase. So definitely keep that in mind. Finally, let's talk about durability. So definitely what I noticed between the two in durability is that the Solo Pros are way better in durability and how they've been holding up so far. Now, the Solo 3s I've owned for a couple of years now, and the ear cups began already to fall apart. We're gonna zoom in on that for you. So if I put them side to side and I just move them slightly, you can tell which one is moving a lot more. This one is just a lot more flimsy. The Solo 3s are just a lot more flimsier than the Solo Pros. The Solo Pros looks like it's just well built, well put together. And so far, I haven't been having issues with the ear cups yet, but we'll see. I've been using them almost every day. We'll see how they hold up in the future. So my final thoughts between these two, I just have a couple points I want to mention. So with the price point, the Solo Pros go for about $300, and the Solo 3s, you can get them right now new for about $170. And I would say between the two and the price point, it's definitely up to you if you want to spend that extra $130 to get the Solo Pros. It depends on what you value. So if you value noise cancellation, which the Solo 3s, they don't have, then I suggest you go with the Solo Pros and you pay the extra money. Also, if you value the durability of your headphones, I would suggest going with the Solo Pros. Meanwhile though, I have been using the Solo 3s for the last couple of years and there hasn't been significant durability issues other than the ear cups. But the ear cups, they go back in when you put them on your ears. It's not something that's affecting me to that extent. But if you are on the market for headphones, and if you're on a slight budget, under $200, go with the Solo 3s. If you are on a higher end budget, I definitely would suggest the Solo Pros. So these are my thoughts so far on the Solo Pros versus the Solo 3. So I will be putting in a video regarding a 30 and 60 day review of the Solo Pros. I will be doing that not next week, the following week. So if you enjoyed our video, make sure you like and subscribe. Take care, everybody.